Toll charges are rising on a number of Ireland's main roads from today, following approval by Transport Infrastructure Ireland. TII said the increases are a response to a consumer price index inflation figure of 2% for the 12 months between August 2024 and August 2025. They apply to the country's 8 public-private partnership toll roads, as well as the M50 and the Dublin Port Tunnel. Buses and coaches travelling the M50 will now pay €3.60 with a tag and €4.20 with a video count, while unregistered vehicles will be charged €4.80. Heavy goods vehicles over 10,000 kilograms with a video count will see a 20-cent increase when using the M50, while cars and motorbikes will avoid increases on 6 routes, including the M1, M7 and Limerick Tunnel. Drivers on the M3 and M4 will pay an extra 10 cent. That brings car tolls to €1.80 on the M3 and €3.60 on the M4. At the Dublin Port Tunnel, peak morning southbound charges rise by €1 to €14, with off-peak rates unchanged. The move faced sharp criticism when announced in October, with Sinn Féin accusing Transport Minister Darragh O'Brien of allowing the increases despite previous commitments to scrap them.